Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Hyundai. I'll try and do it through two things. First of all, make sure Bluetooth is on. So that's Bluetooth on. Then we go into settings, then Bluetooth, then you've got search for Bluetooth devices, which is second, view Bluetooth device list is first. So on to the second one. It's now searching for a phone showing here ix35. Now that could be some random car around here. Anyway, Barry's iPhone 10 has showed up on the audio system. It's please enter the following passkey on your Bluetooth device, which is 0000000 pair. I don't want it to allow my contacts and favorites to sync, but you will, so don't allow. Oh dear, Boris Johnson resigns. Thanks, Boris, for just resigning right when I'm doing this video. That was very, very helpful of you. Not the most useless thing you've ever done, but one of them. So that's it connected.